All right, I got to get this on because it didn't take that long to work it out. It was a very silly bug. When I was copying and pasting things into the DAT file, these new lines were appearing. And that wouldn't normally be a problem, except remember, right back at the start, I said I set up my original code so that I could put more than one program in a file, and each program was on one line. So it was reading this as 3 separate programs, not one program. And that's why it was only having 16 slots where it was expecting way more. And then I added those zeros, but that didn't help because it was really expecting numbers to be out there in the other slots. Okay. So I knew something was up when I had to start adding zeros to the end, and they hadn't specified it. They're so good about specifying. So when I do that, this longer program now runs. All I had to do was just change, whoops. I'm still getting used to the keyboard. I just had to take out this bit where P's, I split it up into lines and just make it straight contents. So now let's try my data and see if it works. Okay. So we still got that weird 3 at the front. But if this turns out to be right, and I've just spent 45 minutes going nowhere. No! Okay, so it's still not right. Am I inputting 5? No, I think I'm inputting 8 at the moment because of my testing. Yes, okay, so I changed that to 5. Oh, we're back to the index too large again. Oh, boy, oh boy. Boy, oh boy. Provided 5. Diagnostic suite should only output 1 number. Diagnostic code. Too large again. Pretty unhappy about that. Let's just check we've got the whole program in here. See, there's only 2 lines on this one, so it's still got the same problem as before. Interesting. That one wasn't split into lines. That wasn't the cause of the original problem after all. Oh well. Shouldn't have jumped on so quickly. Should have double checked. Give it a couple more minutes. Let's spit out a little bit more stuff. Not you. So we're definitely doing 5.dat. Definitely doing contents. Splitting it. Don't care about any of this anymore. And I'm back to assuming that this is fine, so I might as well just it's harmless, I suppose. No, I don't want it there. I want the simplest code that could possibly work. Okay. There's nothing strange going on there. And we are getting to same opcode where we're breaking again, right? So we're doing all these opcode 5s again, and I don't know why. We're doing the 3, then the 1, and then 5. Really doesn't make sense to me. So let's check the PC. What's wrong with that? Couldn't match string to char with actual char. Oh, need another plus plus. Okay, so 3 at position 0, 1 at position 2, then it's finding a 5 at position 6. Do not like that. Okay, so position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How did you become 1105 again? Okay, so we definitely have a problem here. So this 1 should be 0001, and 1 should be from week 2. The opcode is just a multiply. So 1 is the multiply, and it's multiply, oh, no, it's multiply 225 by 6 and put it in 6. And we've just put number 5 into 225, haven't we? Yes. So position, oh, so it's adding 5 to 225. And putting it to 1100 and putting it in 6. That's what I want. Okay, so that's okay. I'm just going to check that it's supposed to add 2 opcode 1 adds together numbers. Opcode 2 works exactly like opcode 1. It multiplies. Yes. Okay. So now we're okay with that being turned into 1105. So now we're finding a 5, and we're asking it, so 5 is the jump if, asking it to look in position 1. No, it's in immediate mode, or value mode, so asking it to compare the value 1 to the value 238. Oh no, jump if. First parameter is non-zero, 1, which it is. It sets the instruction pointer to the second parameter, 238, which it does. Then it goes over to 238 and finds a 5. Then it goes to 241 and finds a 5. Then it goes to 247 and finds a 5. And then complains. Okay, so we're in 5. So we're 1005. Oh, that's a big number. So we're 1005, and we're being asked to check the number 227 and jump to slot 999999, which is never going to work. Okay, more debugging to do. I'll get back to you when I solve it.